To join a private or VIP server on Roblox for PS5 and PS4, you'll need an invite code from the server owner. These servers are exclusive game instances with custom rules. The invite codes are alphanumeric and can be received via in-game chat, email, or linked apps like Discord. On your PS5 or PS4, open Roblox, navigate to the game's servers tab, and select Join Private Server. Enter the code and accept the invite notification to join. Always verify the code's source to avoid scams. Private servers in Roblox offer exclusive perks like no public players and custom rules, but require invites to bypass public queues. These servers provide exclusive experiences without public interference. Server owners set permissions via the Roblox Developer Console, granting roles like guest, member who can invite others, or admin with full control. Trends show increasing use of VIP servers on consoles for role-playing events and lag-free play. Some developers monetize access by charging Robux.